Code P0744 means your transmission's torque converter clutch isn't engaging consistently. The TCC is supposed to lock the torque converter at highway speeds for better fuel economy. If the PCM sees that the RPMs don't behave the way they should during lockup, either not dropping when they should or fluctuating, it will set this code. This issue is intermittent, so it might work sometimes and fail at others. Several issues can cause P0744. The most likely is a faulty TCC solenoid, the electronic valve inside the transmission that controls torque converter lockup. But old or dirty transmission fluid can also reduce hydraulic performance. You might also have a wiring issue like a loose connector or corroded ground. In some cases, the torque converter itself is the problem, especially if the internal clutch is damaged. And as always, there's a slim chance the control module is at fault. When P0744 is active, you'll usually see the check engine light, and you might feel the engine RPMs fluctuate slightly on the highway. It can feel like a slight slip or shudder, almost like driving with a worn clutch in a manual. Over time, this condition can reduce fuel efficiency and even lead to transmission overheating, especially in heavy traffic or towing situations. To fix a P0744 code, start by checking the transmission fluid. If it's dirty or low, that might be all it takes. Next, inspect the wiring leading to the TCC solenoid for damage or looseness. If everything checks out externally, the next step is to test or replace the solenoid, which usually means opening the transmission pan. If that doesn't solve it, the problem might be inside the torque converter itself, which is a more involved repair. Replacing or reprogramming the PCM is only done after confirming all other components are working.